Welcome back to my channel. So we already saw in the previous video all the index high to low moves in weekly analysis. Now we are going to move into the bank contributors, that is HDFC, ICICI, Kotak, Sbin and Axis, and we are going to do weekly analysis from 2024 to now. Okay, now let's get started with the HDFC Bank. Okay, so this is a weekly candle, and then let's try to analyze from 2024 January till date. Okay, so this is the start, and then this is the region now. Okay, now this is for 2024. So this was January month, and then you see this was the open, and then we see a huge fall till here up till February. This was because news based, that's why the fall was also observed in the bank nifty as well as nifty as well as fin nifty. Okay, and then for almost February whole month it was being sideways till April, it was sideways. Okay, so you see here, so here the sellers would have made, and then on the April month it gives a breakout and takes resistance here, and then for again 4 weeks it's been sideways, and then again huge fall in May. So May was a V-shaped recovery, and then again this candle was news based and this candle was news based. Okay, all the news based candle we will just leave. In June month it went up, July and August it has been in a big range, and then September here is the breakout. Okay, we'll write breakout September. Okay, and then it is trying to take resistance at the same zone as January. Okay, now what is the case study here is, after a big fall it is maintaining sideways, and then again breakout sideways, breakout sideways. So this is the common view or common analysis in HDFC. And any good day you could see the weekly candle, which is very small. Let's just take the smallest. I think this is the smallest, and then this in the up candle I could say this is the big candle. Okay, so now we'll try to analyze the small candle and big candles range. So we'll take all of them, and this is the small candle range. So 1600 to 1646, that means somewhere around 50 points for 1 week it can move. And then if it is a breakout, here you see breakout means 1400 to 1500, 100 points. Okay, so the minimum is for 1 week is 40 points, and it can move up till 100 points in a very good week. Okay, so in a week we are not considering the news based. I am just taking the random candle here where there is no news, and this one was the smallest. Okay, so we have done the comparison for small as well as the big candle. Okay, for 1 week how much the market can move. So yeah, then I think we'll go to the next bank. So this is HDFC basically, and we are going to move to the ICICI Bank now. Okay, we'll do the analysis in 1 week candle. Okay, so I'll just try to build the resistance and support. So this was the resistance and the start was here. Okay, this was the open. So support is 1k here. This is the strong support, and now the resistance is here, that is 1400. Okay, so 400 points of single rally for ICICI Bank. So let's just analyze. So January month it was a inverted V-shaped recovery. So market just went up, boom, had a profit booking. For February, for 2 straight weeks it went sideways and then breakout sustained, and in the March month it was completely sideways. You see, April it was again V-shaped recovery. May month for 4 weeks it was sideways, that is inside the zone, sideways. And June month, because of the news, it was a V-shaped recovery, and then this was inverted V-shaped recovery for August month, touching the resistance, which became very strong. And then again August month for 2 weeks it was been sideways, and then the breakout sustained, and then after 2 big candles, 2 weeks of profit booking, this is the profit booking candle, and then again took support at the base, and then again hits high. So this is like continuously 2 weeks it is being going up. So we will see a profit booking candle pretty soon. Okay, so pattern is being inside the range, then breakout, then being inside the range, and then breakout or breakdown, and then again for continuously 4 weeks it's going to be in the rally zone. Again it is doing a profit booking and being in the zone. So this is the common pattern of ICICI. And then any good day we will check the small candles range and the big candles range. So let's see that. Okay, so I will take the small candle first. So any small candle for this year is, so I'll take this candle, which is, you could clearly see high is, low is here, so somewhere around 58 to 88, that is 30 points is the low range for a big candle. So that is like 2% down. And now we will see for a bigger candle. So I could see this is the bigger candle till date, from the start of the year, and also this can be the bigger candle. So this is almost the low is 1050 and high is almost 100 and plus, and this is actually for September second week is, so this is the high low. You could see from 242 it moved to 360, so 120 points is the max it could move for 1 week, for 1x week. Okay, so the range is 30 to 120, it can go for 1 week. Okay, so this is like the biggest candle, so you can expect a profit booking in the upcoming weeks. It can either straight away fall, or it will go sideways and then it will have a fall. So either these two conditions can be seen. Okay, since it's already overstretched, and from to 2024 it is straight away going in one direction, I don't think so that it will hit up more up points. Okay, so this is the analysis for ICICI Bank. Now we will go to Kotak Bank weekly analysis. Okay, so this is Kotak Bank, and then let's just try to keep the resistance and support. So I'll take ray here, first one is here, and I think that's it. Second one is here. So this was the 2024. Okay, so this is the range candle. Okay, so as you could see, it was just a V-shaped recovery till now as a overall you could see, but let's try to decode month by month. Okay, so here you see, let's take January month. So January month it was a news based fall, and this is the profit booking candle. And then again Feb month it was again down with being sideways for 3 weeks, and then March month it was in the trend line sideways going a little bit higher, and then April month it was again a news based fall. So we had a, I think, result news, and then the fall was very huge. it took support here, and May month it was one direction. This was a combination of profit booking plus going upside, and then again here June month it was being in the range and then breakout. So this candle was news based. And then again July month it was a inverted V-shaped recovery. August month it was a big sideways, and then September month it was a breakout. Okay, so this is the overall everything in the nutshell we have covered. So now I am trying to take the smallest candle and see the range, and the biggest candle and see the range. Okay, so I think this is May 21st candle, which is the smallest range. So the high was 17. Let's take whole number 1700, and this we take 80 to 17, so 20-30 points. Anywhere 40 points was the smallest range, that is the minimum range for a week. And then the biggest candle, so we will exclude the news based candles, so we'll take this one, the recent one. So you see it was a breakout straight from the start, so we'll take this candle. So this candle range was, high was 1926, low was 1828, so almost 100 points. Okay, so anywhere this was the maximum range for a week. So any good day or any good week without any news, the sideways points can range to 40, and then trending points can reach to 100 points for this whole year. Okay, not for the previous, we have not done. I'm taking just for 2024. Okay, so always the current data is more relevant. So now we'll go to Sbin. Okay, so this is Sbin chart, and we'll try to draw the ray. So first is we'll take here, so this was 2024, and this was the highest range it touched. Okay, so now let's just try to analyze. Okay, so we'll do the analysis based on weekly chart. Okay, so this is 2024 candle, which is kind of 3 weeks sideways and then breakdown, and then again it was trending for February, and then again March we had a profit booking candle. So after being trending for 5 weeks, there is one candle for profit booking, and then it goes trending with one candle profit booking, and then May month it was trending, and then it was sideways, and then after two big candle here comes the profit booking candle, and this candle is a news based candle, so we will exclude this. And then June month it went sideways, and then April month it was inverted V shape, then August month it went sideways and then breakdown, and then took support and trying to be in this range. Unless this range is broken, either on the resistance side or upside or downside, it will be in the range. So from 800 to 850 is the range for Sbin. So what is Sbin doing is from 600 to 900, it's just moving between 300 points for the whole year 2024. Okay, so now we'll try to analyze is most of the weeks it's been sideways, and now we'll take the smallest one. I think the smallest one is this doji, where the high is 825 and the low is 811, so almost 14 points range. This is the minimum range it can move in 1 week. Okay, and the max it could move, we'll see both the green candle as well as the red candle, so except the news based candles. So let's take this is the max candle. Okay, so here on a very good week without any news, the high is 816,750, so almost 66 points. So 66 points is the max it can move, okay, when it's moving uptrend. So this is not taken because this was news based. Okay, now we'll take the profit booking candle here, the red one. So any good day without news, the high was 792, low was 720. So 90 minus 20 is 70 points it can actually move in one week. That is the max. So the max to minimum is anywhere 20 to 70 points Sbin can move. Okay, during news days it can actually move up to 100 points, as this is the news based candle where it moved almost 100 points. Okay, now we will go is Kotak Bank, Axis Bank, sorry, Kotak we finished. So this is Axis Bank, and then we'll try to draw the support and resistance. So yeah, one here, and that's it. Okay, so we'll take the range of this 2024, and this is the highest max it reached. Okay, now let's try to analyze this. So this was the open 2024. So this candle was the news based fall. So the Hindenburg result has given a fall, and then here you see straight for 4 weeks, it been 4 weeks or almost for full February, it has been in the range, and a breakout failure is seen here, and then again it bees in the range for April, May and March and April, and you see the breakout and retracement is seen. After retracement it moved, so this we are excluding because this was the news based candle, and then the high breakout, and then April month it was trending. So almost for the first 6 months it was kept sideways clearly, and then you see after July month's breakout, this comes the profit booking candle. So it was the down movement for August, and then for almost August here it has been sideways, and now it has given a breakout. Okay, so Kotak is sideways, breakout, sideways, breakdown, sideways, breakout. So this is what it was, Axis is doing. And then any good day the range is, so 300 points movement was observed for this year, and we will see any good day how much it can move. So let me just find out the smallest candle. I think this August 26th is the smallest candle. You see high and low 163 to 184, so almost 20 points is the minimum it can move in 1 week, and then the highest without considering the news based candle. So we'll take this one. So this one, see the fall here, high 292 to 150, so almost 150 points you can see a max fall in the downside candle. And then if the rally occurs, so this can be the upward rally, we can take this candle. So here you see from 32 to 140, so 100 plus can go in is the max rally for a week. Okay, so let's take the downside movement as well on the news day. As you could see, this was the news day, and the high and low you see here is almost 150 points. Okay, this is news based movement, so never touch the market during news based, that's why we say. Otherwise it's fine during sideways day, unless it is in the same zone. Here you see same zone here, same zone here. There are plenty of options during sideways, okay, for Axis Bank. Okay, so I think I've done the analysis for 2024 for all the important bank stocks contributors. So that's it guys, thank you, keep supporting.